This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Marina del Rey, California. Today we wanted to talk to you a little bit about microneedling and platelet-rich plasma treatments, sometimes known as a vampire facelift. It's one of the most popular procedures in our practice for skin care, and it's popular for several important reasons. First, it treats all different skin types, so almost anybody is a candidate for it. It also helps to improve a wide variety of problems for the skin. And lastly, there's a really short downtime for the procedure. So many of our patients are busy and don't have much time off. Their first question is, how much downtime is there? The good news on this procedure is not much. We've got Rachel here today she's one of our nurse specialists who does a tremendous amount of this in our practice and actually has it done to herself as well. Rachel, would you mind just elaborating for us a little bit on these procedures?
So microneedling is one of the newer and most popular treatments that we're doing in the office. It's been nicknamed the vampire facial, and what it consists of is a disposable cartridge of needles that move up and down rapidly on the skin surface to cause a little bit of a controlled trauma. The best candidate for this procedure would be patients who might have acne or severe acne scarring, those who have hyperpigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles, and anyone who really just wants to refresh their skin. We like to do this in combination with platelet-rich plasma, which is your own blood that we draw. We spin it in a special centrifuge and we're left with the kind of liquid gold or the platelet-rich plasma. During the procedure, we apply it topically, as well as we can also inject it into areas that might need a little bit more voluminization or collagen production. For microneedling with PRP, we usually recommend a minimum of 3 treatments about 4 weeks apart from each other to really just kickstart the collagen process in the skin. If you have severe acne scarring or a lot of fine lines and wrinkles, you may need more, about 6 treatments. After the initial set of treatments, you can just do maintenance, which is really up to you, but we recommend every 3 to 6 months. During your microneedling appointment, we will numb your face for about 20 minutes with a topical numbing cream. We'll then draw your blood, which just involves, a simple needle stick. And then once the procedure starts, you really don't feel anything. It kind of just feels a little ticklish. You'll feel a little bit of a vibration, but it's very comfortable and tolerable. Prior to your microneedling appointment, it's always great to prep your skin. So you can start by using a retinol or even something such as a hydroquinone prior to the appointment, maybe 2 weeks before. You do want to stop all active ingredients, including the retinol and hydroquinone, along with any glycolic salicylics, about 7 days before the treatment, just to make sure that you don't have excess irritation or redness. After your microneedling appointment, you'll leave the office and look like you have a severe sunburn. Your skin might feel a little bit tight and dry, which is all normal. If you do it with the platelet-rich plasma, like we recommend, we suggest that you leave that on for about 3 to 4 hours before washing it off. The first 24 hours after the microneedling appointment is the most important. You want to make sure you keep the skin very clean, so you don't want to work out, be in the sun, really apply any products except for the 2 that we provide you. After the 24 hours, you can kind of go back to your normal skin routine. However, I would still avoid any active ingredients, probably up to about 7 days.
I hope you enjoyed that information on microneedling and platelet-rich plasma treatments. It's a really popular procedure in our practice and almost everybody can benefit from it. We hope to hear from you soon at our practice in Marina del Rey, California.
Thank you for watching.
And be sure to subscribe to Stoker Plastic Surgery to see all of our upcoming and new videos, and comment and like anything you'd like to see in the future.